Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dina and today you will learn how to describe things in English and you will start to speak in English. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about people. They are in the park. We will use the structure this is. For example, this is a boy. This is a boy. And then we use the structure he has. He has brown hair. He has yellow t-shirt. He has red shorts. He has white socks. He has red trainers. And then we use the structure in the. He is in the park. He is in the park. And last one, he loves. He loves running. He loves running in the park. He loves running in the park. This is a girl. This is a girl. She has curly hair. She has curly hair. She has a yellow t-shirt. She has a yellow t-shirt. She has blue jeans. She has blue jeans. She has white sneakers. Or she has white shoes. She has white shoes. She has a blue bike. She has a blue bike. And then she is a student. She is a student. Or she is, we say the place. She is in the park. She is in the park. Another sentence. She is behind Mike. She is behind Mike. And then she loves. She loves riding a bike. She loves riding a bike. This is a boy. This is a boy, or we can call him John. This is John. This is John. Or we can say, this is my friend. This is my friend John. Next structure, he has. Or we can say John has. John has curly hair. John has curly hair. John has short hair. John has curly hair. Or John has short black hair. John has an orange t-shirt. John has an orange t-shirt. John has blue jeans. John has blue jeans. John has black shoes. John has black shoes. John has a book. Or he has a book. He has a book. Next structure, he is. He is in the park. He is in the park. He is sitting. He is sitting. He is reading. He is reading. And last one, he loves. He loves reading. John loves reading. John loves reading books. This is a girl, or we can call her Kate. This is Kate. This is Kate, or this is my friend, or this is a girl. And next structure, she has. She has brown hair. She has long hair. She has white t-shirt. She has a white t-shirt. She has a pink jacket. Kate has a pink jacket. Kate has blue jeans. Kate has blue jeans. Kate has orange trainers. Or Kate has orange shoes. And then she is, or Kate is. Kate is in the park. Kate is in the park. Kate is happy. Kate is happy. And last one, she loves, or Kate loves. Kate loves walking her dog. Kate loves walking the dog. Or Kate loves walking in the park. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the follow button, share and like. Okay, that's it for today. I hope the video was helpful and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.